So we're using this lino that's green on one side and blue on the other. It's sort of very rubbery, a bit more like lino than the last one we used. Today we're going to make a stamp of a seahorse because, well, they're kind of cute, aren't they? So first I draw it onto the lino using a ballpoint pen. I'm going to be using my flex cut tool, which is probably my favourite, and maybe even some of the lines tool, which is also pretty good. So now the fun bit, we get into the carving. I tend to think it carves better than the white rubbery stuff I was using last time, the easy cut. This cut's better because it's a bit sturdier. It still is a little bit rubbery, it doesn't break off. But it does give you nice sharp lines, so you can get really fine detail with this. So detail I couldn't get with the rubbery one. Also with this you have to really think in reverse, because when you carve it away it's dark beneath, which can cause a bit of confusion. Now I'm going to do a bit of a proof, just a proof print, just how it's going. And see if that works. And there you go, it's not too bad. So I'm fairly happy with the amount of detail I can get in. I sort of look at the proof and decide I'll just tidy up a little bit of it here and there, and then my stamp's just about ready to go. So now I've tidied it up, I'm gluing a bit to this little block of wood here. Putting on the block of wood gives a little bit more oomph when it comes to printing, makes it a little bit easier, which you certainly need when you're using this stuff. Now that glue is dry, I'll do a few prints, and just to do a comparison, what I've got here is a seal I've done on the blue and green lino, and you see it's very hard to print, and here's a seal done with the soft. And the soft lino, or the easy cut lino, is very easy to print. It's so rubbery. So if you're going to do dark areas, probably don't want to use this one, but you can use that one. So less detail, but an easier print. So that's probably the comparison between the last two linos. The next video I'm going to try out my favourite lino. And we'll go out looking at a seahorse again. Yay, seahorse!